Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you something different in the kilo bar.
We love to see the variations, although we're used to seeing black packages be the Germanium Mint bars. This is something a little different.
This one's very American.
It is.
So, for anyone that's into the American silver, this is possibly the pinnacle of... No, I can't say that.
I was going to say you're insulting probably at least the US Mint with that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, still a bit of a classic brand. Not old enough to be vintage, I don't think yet, but was born out of the 9/11 attacks. I think it officially started in 2002. And then Wall Street Silver, and then Scottsdale took over the trademark in about 2010, 2011, and they've kept it going.
They have. So we've got a few of them in. Like I said, they're just something different. They're not particularly expensive when you compare them to a lot of the other kilo bars that are getting around. So, we thought we'd get them in and just provide something different to the Australian market. So,
got the cityscape there, the name, a little bit of Latin, the Scottsdale logo, and serial number, and a diamond representing diamond hands, Michael.
Yeah. So you can see that they are serialised if that's one of the things you want.
Yeah.
But like I said, a good fun bar in for now with just something a bit different to the standard, Perth Mint stamp or, those types of things. So add a bit of flavour to your stack, get something that memorialises a fairly significant part of our history, even though it wasn't obviously in Australia, but certainly world history, and have a bit of flavour in that stack at the same time.
Link will be down in the description, and we will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.